Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning gradient text effect in Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn any ordinary text into vibrant, eye-catching graphics perfect for social media posts, posters, or any creative project you've got in mind. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to add some text to our document. Go ahead and open your Photoshop project or start a fresh file if you prefer. Select the horizontal type tool from your toolbar. It usually looks like a T icon on the left side. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out the text you want to transform. Take a moment to choose a font and size that fits your project. Remember, bold fonts tend to show off gradient effects really well, but you can use anything you like. Once you've got your text looking the way you want, make sure you select the text layer in the Layers panel. This is important because any effect we add needs to be directly applied to this text layer. Next, we're going to dive into the layer styles. With your text layer still selected, simply double-click it in the Layers panel. This will pop open the Layer Style dialog box. It's like your toolbox for adding creative effects. If you're new to this, don't worry. This menu gives you loads of possibilities, but for now, we're focusing on the gradient overlay. Just remember, layer styles are non-destructive, so you can always come back and tweak things if needed. Now let's bring in some color and energy with the gradient overlay. In the Layer Style dialog, find the Gradient Overlay option in the list down the left side. First, make sure the box next to Gradient Overlay is checked, then click directly on Gradient Overlay to access its settings. This section lets you layer a gradient right over your text, instantly elevating its look from plain to professional. To really make the effect yours, we'll customize the gradient itself. Click on the Gradient Preview bar near the top of the settings. This will open the Gradient Editor, which lets you choose exactly how your colors flow. You can select one of the built-in preset gradients for a quick result. These range from subtle blends to bold rainbow options. If you want something custom, just click on any of the color stops below the gradient bar to change the colors. For example, try blending a deep blue to vibrant pink for a modern look, or keep it classic with a gentle gold to white fade. You can add more color stops by clicking below the bar or remove them by dragging away. Also, take a minute to adjust the gradient angle if you want the colors to flow left to right, top to bottom, or at a diagonal. The style options, like switching between linear and radial, let you control whether the gradient moves in a straight line or radiates outward, which is especially fun for making logos or headlines stand out. Lastly, use the scale slider to determine how stretched or condensed your gradient is across your text. Once you're happy with your gradient, and don't worry if it takes a bit of tweaking, most artists play with these settings until they get just the right look. It's time to finalize your effect. Simply click OK in the Layer Style dialog box, and Photoshop will apply your gradient directly to the text. And that's it, you've created a vibrant gradient text effect in Photoshop. It's a quick way to add some flair to your designs, and you'll find endless combinations to experiment with. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your results. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.